All right, so number 9, what is the value for the cell labeled BB? As with all chart questions, it's important to make sure that we have read like what each of these charts are. So this is labor. This is the output that labor produces. This is the marginal product of labor. So they're actually calculating that out for you. So you don't have to do it, though obviously they're going to ask you to do it later. Then the value of the marginal product of labor. The wage, which is consistent, it's always $300, and then the profit. So what is the value for the cell labeled BB? Well, this is relatively basic. It is the value of the marginal product of labor is $200. That worker produced $200 of value. Their wage was $300. Thus, they have lost $100 by hiring this person. The answer is E.